Guys, something insane just happened. Meta just dropped a bombshell at Connect 2025. They basically made your smartphone irrelevant for 90% of what you do every day. I'm talking about the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, $800. Ships September 30th. And honestly, this is the first time I've seen smart glasses that actually make sense. Meta's already sold 2 million pairs of their regular Ray-Ban Meta glasses. 2 million people are walking around with AI glasses that don't even have a display. Now they're adding a screen and a mind-reading wristband. Yep, you heard that right. So here's what you get for $799. You get glasses that look like normal Ray-Bans. Nobody's gonna know you're wearing a computer on your face. They come with transition lenses. Wear them inside, outside, wherever. The display sits in one lens off to the side. It doesn't block your view. And here's the key, it's not always on. This isn't about having a screen in your face 24/7. It's about quick glances. When you use these glasses, you can effortlessly read messages from your social media apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and so on. Take video calls and show people what you're seeing. The cameras are 12 megapixel now, way better than the Gen 1. But wait, real-time translation. Someone speaks French, you see English right in your lens. No phone needed, no awkward Google Translate moments. Walking directions? Right in your glasses. Turn-by-turn navigation. No more looking down at your phone while walking. Music controls? See what's playing. Album art and everything. Swipe to skip. Pinch, rotate for volume. Battery lasts 6 hours mixed use. The charging case holds 30 hours. And it's collapsible, and it fits right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about this wristband. It's called the Meta Neural Band. This thing reads your muscle signals, not your movements, your muscle signals, before you even move. It uses EMG, or electromyography to be more precise. Your brain sends signals to your muscles. This band picks them up, even before you actually move. It knows what you want to do before you do it. Meta spent 4 years on this, had 200,000 research participants, and that's why it works for basically everyone. Your muscles, my muscles, doesn't matter. It just works. The band's made from Vectran, which is the same stuff on the Mars rover's crash pads. It's strong as steel while being soft enough to bend. Additionally, you get 18 hours of battery, as well as solid waterproof rating. Now, let's get into how to use these glasses. Pinch to select, swipe your thumb to navigate, and that's it. No buttons, no touchpads, just natural, fluid movements. And get this, it works for people with disabilities, people who can't make large movements, people with tremors, even people with fewer than 5 fingers. The muscle signals are still there. Hey, remember when AI could only talk? Now it shows you things. Step-by-step instructions right in your glasses. Cooking? See the next step without touching anything. Just swipe. The AI understands what you're looking at. Point at a landmark. Ask, what is it? Info appears in your lens. No phone needed. The real-time camera viewfinder lets you frame photos perfectly. Zoom in and out, see exactly what you're capturing, and then share instantly. Live captions? Genius. Someone's talking. See captions on what they're saying. Perfect for noisy places, or if you miss something important. So think about what you do on your phone. You want to check messages. Meta's glasses can do that. Photos? Got you covered. Directions? Built in. Music? Yep. Calls? Of course. Translations? Got it. Questions? Meta AI is right there. Most phone interactions are nothing more than quick checks, short interactions that don't pull you from reality. And that said, your phone's still there when you need it. It's still going to be dominant for long emails, watching YouTube videos, etc. But for everything else, the glasses have you covered. This is what Meta gets that Google didn't with glasses. People don't want a face computer, they want regular glasses that are a little smarter, smart enough for basic without the friction of pulling out a phone. Meta's got 3 types of AI glasses now. First, camera AI glasses, regular Ray-Ban Meta and Oakley Meta. There's no display, just cameras, speakers, and AI, and they're already selling like crazy. Then there are these display AI glasses. that come with a screen and wristband, the sweet spot. Enough tech to be useful. Finally, artificial reality glasses are coming. Just check out the Orion prototype. It's got full holographic displays, and you can see literal digital objects in the real world. That's the future. However, it's not ready yet. However, the truth is that each category learns from the others. Regular Ray-Bans taught them style comes first. Display versions add just enough screen. Orion shows where it's all heading, and with the help, or rather inspiration from Ray-Ban, it can get even better. As of September 30th, you'll be able to acquire your very own set of these revolutionary glasses. Where? A lot of places actually. Best Buy, LensCrafters, Sunglass Hut, Ray-Ban stores in the US. Verizon will also be getting them, although a little bit later. Limited availability has been done on purpose. They want proper fitting, right size wristbands. They want to make sure you understand the controls. As for customization, that will disappoint some. You only get 2 colors, black and sand. You also get 3 wristband sizes. Pro tip, book an in-person demo. Try before buying and make sure they fit right. Availability will grow, and you can expect Canada, France, Italy, and UK will get them early 2026. And if these sell well, expect global rollout fast. Apple's probably freaking out by now. Their Vision Pro, $3.5 grand, all while being ridiculously bulky? Here's Meta with something people will actually wear. And for $799. Google's already having glass flashbacks, and frankly, so am I. They tried first and failed spectacularly. Now Meta's succeeding where they couldn't by partnering with Ray-Ban, making them look normal, focusing on what people need. This is Meta's iPhone moment. Before iPhone, phones tried doing everything: keyboards, styluses, complicated menus. Apple simplified by introducing a touchscreen and creating an actual coherent software ecosystem. Meta's doing practically the same, except on an even more revolutionary scale. You get no complicated interfaces, no weird gestures, just a display for quick info. You also get a wristband for simple controls, ensuring the brilliance be held in simplicity. Let's address it. Cameras on your face, Meta processing everything. Messages, location, and what you're looking at. That's a lot of data. But your phone already does this, already tracks you and sends messages, knows where you go. Difference is now it's on your face, not in your pocket. Meta says display only activates when you want. Cameras have LED when recording. EMG data stays on device, doesn't go to cloud. Still, it's Meta, Facebook and Instagram's parent. They'll use this data somehow. Ads, AI training, something. That's the trade-off. Convenience for privacy. Same as always. This excites me the most. This is version 1. Imagine 5 years from now. Lighter, cheaper, better battery, more features. Meta's investing billions. 10 years of Reality Labs research. Planning 10 million pairs yearly starting 2026. Meta is most definitely not experimenting anymore. That phase is way history. Nope, they're committing to the idea fully. And the kicker is that once developers get these, we'll be flooded with apps for glanceable interactions, fitness tracking you see while working out, hands-free recipe steps, indoor navigation. The EMG wristband also opens crazy possibilities: typing without keyboards, controlling smartphones with gestures, gaming with hand movements. It's all coming. This is ambient computing, tech that's there when needed, not demanding attention, not pulling from life, just enhancing what you're already doing. Even if you never buy these, they matter. They're showing what's possible, and that is the future. How we'll interact with tech without screen domination. With this move, Meta proved smart glasses can work, and while being stylish, useful without being intrusive, and that changes everything. Every tech company's watching, taking notes, planning responses, and learning from Meta's success and failures. Mark my words, in 5 years, this will be a moment that will be remembered historically. This will be the moment when smart glasses went mainstream, when we moved beyond smartphones, when computers became truly wearable. Now, are these perfect? No, most definitely not. They're full of bugs still. The other million-dollar question is, will everyone want them? Well, let's be honest, probably not. But for early adopters, people tired of phone addiction, anyone wanting connection while staying present, these are it. Meta Ray-Ban display glasses are here, so be ready for September 30th and have at least some change with you, $800. And that's with the glasses and wristband included. They're gonna sell out fast, so be sure to hurry up. Because Meta didn't just make smart glasses, they made glasses that happen to be smart, and that makes all the difference. This is the future, folks, and it's sitting right on your nose. I'm Mickey V. Have a great day.